We're in the land of Mexico, and this is how we do it. Woo! That was fun. Alright, let's get the intro started. What's up guys, this is your boy ZthruCharlie once again with another video for you guys, and today is about what's in your car challenge. I was nominated as a bunch of us vloggers in a little group chat of us, and we just started this, and let's see how far it goes. And before that I got nominated by somebody, JP Short Guy Productions. I'll leave his link in the description below. So besides that, what do you guys thought about my new intro? Because I saw that, I tried it out. I hope you guys like it. I kind of like it, so just leave a comment what you guys think about it. Before that, it's hot. It's very hot. We're in South Florida, and guys, we cannot do anything about South Florida and your gators. You got your little gators over here. South Florida problem, guys. We always got gators. Man, it's hot. Oh, I see a fish. But anyways guys, it's hot. I don't know what to do. It's just very hot. And alright guys, so I was nominated by JP Short Guy Production. He's another YouTuber. I already said I'll leave his link in below. So besides that, whatever's in my car, I show you guys what's in my car. But I really don't know what's in my car, honestly. But we'll find out today, guys. We're gonna find this out together. But let's go. Alright, before I start this what's in my car challenge, I just want to say, I think I picked a pretty cool spot. I didn't know this spot existed, so what do you guys think? Kind of looks pretty good. But I want to try to get inside over there, see if I can get in there, take some shots before I get in trouble. But anyways, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe to my channel, and leave comments what you guys think about my channel or future videos you want to see. And also follow me on IG at ZthruCharlie. And alright, first thing first, my management controller for my airlift. Just a little simple, press, hold down, I'm gonna air it out. Simple as that. Now let's avoid that noise. It's very hot, guys. It's really hot. I don't know how I'm doing this right now. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm just doing this for you guys. But alright, first thing first, you saw my management remote controller. Let's see what's on the side over here. First, alright, I got pliers. There's a reason why I got pliers in my fucking Z. In my Z. The reasons why I got pliers in my Z is really simple, because I broke something in my Z, and this is my solution to broken things. You see this? That's the hood release, and you cannot pull that by hand, so you gotta use your pliers to pull it, and that's my solution for broken things. Alright, can't do anything about it. Broken parts, plastic parts, just simple things. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Oh, very simple device everybody should have in their car to check your air pressure in your tires, because look, your car says you have a TPS sensor, it tells you, but my Z says my TPS sensor is always on. So USB cable, I don't know why I have that in here. Oh, receipt. Let's see how long ago this receipt, how old it is. Oh, April 10, 2019, gas station receipt. Yo, that's like what, 5 months ago? Oh, I'm sorry, 4 months. 4 months ago. I need to start cleaning my car out. Alright, let's check my cubby out. Alright, there's a few things in there. One, my beautiful girlfriend. Gorgeous like always. And I got some Dragon Ball Z stickers. You gotta have Dragon Ball Z stickers in cars, guys. Gotta have them. Look, Super Saiyan Blue Goku right here. He'll blast you guys away with his Kamehameha wave. And you got yourself, oh, and I got Broly. You know, the biggest, strongest Super Saiyan legendary out there. But let me know you guys know if you're DBC fans. Leave in the comments, please. You guys already know I'm a nerd, so got myself a green arrow right here hanging from my car. You have failed this city. But I don't know if you guys will get the reference, so there it is. Alright. Next thing is, oh man, I got my grumpy cat. Rest in peace, grumpy cat. Rest in peace. Alright, some of you guys may know Grumpy Cat has passed away about like 2 months ago. And he's legendary. You guys know about memes, you see him everywhere. But rest in peace, Grumpy Cat. So, alright, phone, my keys, nothing in the center cup holder because I don't use that. More receipts. This one is from, let's see how long ago this is. July 31st. Not that old. Let's see. July 16. Not that old. Still pretty decent. Micro SD adapter. I don't know why I have one in the Z, but you know, YouTube stuff. Nah. Alright, funny story about the nail clipper. Like literally, I lost my nail clipper at home and I was like, F me. I was like, alright, let me go to the store, buy a nail clipper. And I went to the store, I bought it, I put it in the Z, and I lost it in the Z, and it took me a couple weeks to find it. And guess what? I found it again. That's it. It's not really that funny, actually. I'm lame. So, what else I got here? Got coins. A cable running through here. That's my my airlift management thing. Jaguar keychain. You guys want it? Let me know. All right, let's go on the other side. Actually, a mystery door in here. All right. First thing first is my sunglass case. With no sunglasses, just wipes. Parking pass for my job. Oh, something fell out. Oh, I was having a blow and fuse issue with my airlift management, and I bought like a whole pack of these, and you just replace them every other week. So I'm just keeping it safe, just to have one in my car. Okay, let's see what else. What else? More parking pass, pen, registration, aux cord, and just more registration stuff. I have a collection of them. I'm too lazy to throw them out. Something every car should be holding in their car is some Chem Guys quick detailer to clean your car. Obviously my car is dirty because I'm not cleaning it in the seat. It's so hot, very hot. So went through that stuff. Let's see what's behind the seats. I'm not sure what's behind the seats. First thing first, old water bottle. I should really throw this out. I'm going to throw them out. Dentist appointment. I have something about my dentist. Actually, oh, it's coming up soon. Good thing I found it. Oh, free tool I got from dealership. They left in my car. I kept it forever. Gym gloves, you know, for the proteins. VQ and protein guys. Oh gosh, that is melted. It's melting and ripped it off. My Nissan manual book. I should really not keep this in here. Why need extra weight? Plastic cover that broke off my Z a long time ago. I just kept it in here. More gloves. Dash cam, which I'm not using at the moment. Alright, let's see what's in here. Dealership inspection. An iPhone cable? Yeah, it's an iPhone cable. I didn't know I even had this in here. And the heck is this? It's car wash soap. I don't know why there's car wash soap in there either. And fake ass glasses. Scion glasses. Sorry, Scion guys. Alright, mystery box. Let's see what it is. Mystery box, mystery box. Oh, it's my old shift knob. Yo, it's hot. Look, it's melting. This is literally melting at the moment. South Florida, guys, come on. It's getting worse and worse every day, man. Let's see what we got in the trunk. My backpack, it has my, it usually carries my GoPro with my equipment for my GoPro, rags, batteries, you can name it. It's all for the camera I use for you guys. And other thing I like to have in here is my skateboard. Guys, I don't know why I even have the skateboard with me right now. Finally, but at least, let me get this open. My air compressor. But compressor's air for me. But overall, guys, that's pretty much it in my car. Don't have anything too crazy to show you. There's my Z, guys. That's everything what's in my car. Honestly, it's nothing too crazy, nothing out there compared to you guys. Ray had a human being in the back. That's mad crazy. But anyways, so I made it to this I was able to make it behind this barrier. So anyways, I'm not supposed to be here. Oh well, I just want to do it for the gram and IG, for YouTube, for you guys, everybody. But anyways, before I continue, I just want to nominate 3 guys because that's how the challenge works. You have to nominate people. I'm going to nominate 3 people. More Scorpio, he's a YouTuber. I'm going to leave all their YouTube links description in my description below. And that's number 1. Number 2 is going to be Honey Badger Shoots. He just started a YouTube channel. Go guys, follow him. He has a new Mustang, sick. Danny Z on his 300ZX. He already did what's in your car challenge on his 370Z. Now I want to see what's in his 300ZX because I'm very curious about that one. So that's my 3 nominations. And guys, it's been fun doing this video and suffering hot. I did it for you guys. I'm really actually drenching sweat right now. But anyways, that was fun. Don't forget, guys, like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on IG. And guys, just leave comments what you guys think about the video, future videos we want to see. And also, before I go on a little end the video, I just want to mention one thing. Oh, was that a gator? Say one more thing. I'm gonna do a small giveaway at 50 subscribers, and I'm almost there. I'm 5 away at the moment, so get me to 50 subscribers and I'll be doing a small giveaway. It's nothing too crazy, but hey, let's start something. But anyways, fun video, and I'll see you guys next time.